How to use and set up a jam session in Spotify. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use and set up your jam session on your Spotify. So first thing, head over to your Spotify application, and from here click on the top left corner over here on your profile section. And when you enter your profile section, from here simply head over to your settings, and inside settings you will see the privacy and social option, and from here you can see the jam option. To enable this, just click on learn how, and you can see allow Bluetooth access to find and connect to nearby devices so that you can enjoy music with others. So just click on get started. As you can see, you have to ask your nearby friends to enable Bluetooth access. So right now I don't have any friends nearby, so just click on OK, and here you need to start playing song by connecting with each other Bluetooth. So that is as simple as that. And from here, if you have a friend nearby, when they connect you with your mobile by turning on the Bluetooth devices, and once you do that, you will see you'll need to head back to your application and again click on this your settings and profile section, and from here you will see the option called devices once you connect your Bluetooth pair. And from here you will simply see the option called devices menu, where you'll finally see start a jam option, and that is exactly how you can easily start a jam in your Spotify with your friends. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.